and thank you for joining us. My name is Amber Solomon with the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are here to do a ribbon cutting for Restore Regenerative and Sports Medicine. We have here Dr. Heather Hammonds. Tell us a little bit about what you guys have here.
Yeah, so here at Restore Regenerative and Sports Medicine, we are a collaborative work of physicians and massage therapists and PTs, all under the same roof, really just working to get you back to sport, addressing any pain, underlying issues, and really just optimizing your health. Let me talk about some services.
Yes.
Okay, so some of the services we have are traditional services, evaluating your sports injuries and any pain you might have, any dysfunctions. So we have Shockwave, which includes an array of radial pressure as well as focus and EMTT, so a lot of different modalities there, as well as we offer PRP and cell therapies for more advanced pathology. In addition, our new services that we have here are helping you to address any full recovery, and so that is going to be our whole body cryo, red light therapy, compression therapy, and infrared sauna, as well as many more services to come. So we're all open for growth and continue to serve the community and help you to get back to the activities you love to do.
So lots of great services. Tell us where we can find out more information about you guys.
So we have our website, so www.restoresportsmed.com. You can call us at 232-5309. Right, yeah. And we also are on Facebook and Instagram.
And tell us where you are located.
And so we are located at 103 Restore Drive, so we are behind the King Dermatology building.
All right, let's cut the ribbon.
All right, let's do it.